Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about Duolingo. Can you play chess in Duolingo with friends and how the feature currently works? So let's get straight to the point. Right now, you cannot play chess with friends on Duolingo. The chess feature is still in beta, which means it's new, still being tested, and not fully released for everyone yet. And because of that, Duolingo only lets you play chess against its built-in AI, not real people. But here's how it works. First, go ahead and open your Duolingo app on your phone or tablet, and you want to make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once you are on the home screen, look at the top left corner and tap the icon showing the red flag or showing the flag of the language you're currently learning. Right now, I have here Japanese, you can see. Now, this opens a menu with different learning paths and features. In that list, you want to look for chess and tap on it. When you open chess for the first time in Duolingo, we will ask a few simple questions like how familiar you are with the chess or whether you want to start from the basics. And these questions help the app adjust the difficulty of the AI you'll be playing against. For now, that's the only way to play chess in Duolingo. There's no option to invite friends, challenge other users, or play multiplayer matches yet. That may change in the future as Duolingo continues testing and expanding the feature, but at the moment, it's strictly solo play versus AI. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!